Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the 21 days challenge of blockchain fundamentals. Today is day 19 and this is one of the last 3 videos of this series. So today we're going to be talking about tech and feasibility analysis. 2 questions here, and on the second part we're going to be talking about price to network, Metcalfe's law. So before we start, for those of you who haven't heard of Mainframe, I love this project. They just did an airdrop. They are working on the technology for anonymous message routing. So if you like the idea, I would say get yourself some Mainframe over here. Mainframe, baby. Okay, so with that out of the way, let's dive into the questions. So, homework on tech and feasibility analysis. Question number 1. Let's go. Why is it important to be critical to the technology vision of an ICO? Well, selling a vision is very easy, right? Everybody can have an idea. So in order to sell it, it's not really that difficult. But putting it into practice, that's a whole different level. It's a whole different story. So that's why, in a sense, many ICOs are just selling the vision, right? And they're selling the vision without actually having the plans worked out for the practice. So this is why it's very important to research very critically. Question number 2: how can you try to verify the implementation plan of the ICO and the feasibility of the vision? Well, in this sense, interact with the people involved in the project, leaders and community of the project will generally be very happy to answer your questions. So when doing research, this is one of the best ways to go about. Yeah, you directly already have a general feeling of the community, how, like, if you're interested in something, right, it gets you excited. And anybody who has a question about something you have a passion for, directly you want to explain to that person what that project is about. So these are the type of things you're looking for. Like, you're looking for a project where they have a community and the people are happy to help you. So those were the 2 questions on tech and feasibility. Now let's head over to price to network by Metcalfe's law. Here there are of course 2 questions. Question number 1: how could we compare the value of 2 networks with the help of Metcalfe's law? There are 2 things in general. So we have the market cap to network ratio, and in this sense, the higher the ratio, the more expensive the network. And by Metcalfe's law, the network ratio is determined by the number of the users squared. But we're gonna put this, of course, into example. In the crypto world, how to determine the market cap, of course, if you don't yet know, it's the number of coins or token times the price of each coin or token. But of course, I will add here that it's not the total supply. In the way I see it, it's the circulating supply. So putting this now into practice, I'm gonna head over to the board, and we're gonna be over very soon. So just give me a second to set up everything. Okay, so for question number 2, what are the market cap to network ratio of each network, as you see over there, and which is the most expensive network? So this is network number 1. I hope you can see everything here. So this is network. These are all the necessary data for network number 1, and here we have network number 2. So what do we have? We have the coin supply of network number 1, which is 5 million. Network number 2 is 2 million, and the price per coin for network number 1 is 1.5 euro, or €1.50, and for network number 2 is 50 cents. So the network users, or the estimated users for network number 1 is approximately 4,500. Meanwhile, for network number 2 is 4,000. So now, to determine the market cap, you just need to multiply the current supply with the coin price. So we're going to do that. So market cap for net 1 is equal to, we have 5 million times 1.5, and the market cap for net, no wait, we're gonna do different. I'm just going to yeah, so we have normally 7.5, yes, 7.5. So we are assuming here, of course, that the number of coins is the circulating supply. So this supply, as I just said previously, it's the circulating supply, because if you take the total supply, some coins can be locked up, so it will not give you and the answer will be less accurate. Let me just put it that way. Okay, so now market cap to network ratio, what you're just going to do is you're going to take the market cap and you're going to divide it among the network users. So we say market cap to network ratio is equal to 7.5 divided by 4,500. That is going to give you 0.37, right? Let's hold this. Okay, now we're going to do the same calculation for network 2. So MC net 2 is equal to 2 million times 0.5, which gives me, I'm sorry, I'm very bad at math, so you have to excuse me, 10 million. So the market cap to network ratio is 10 million divided by 4,000, I think, yes, and this is equal to 0.63. So according to Metcalfe's law, network number 2, or network 2, holds more value, is more expensive, because the network to ratio is higher than the network to ratio of network number 1. So when evaluating a project, or when doing research, sometimes you could use this formula to try to compare various networks to see which one holds more value. But of course, in the crypto space, things move very fast, very rapid. So like the price can go up very fast. So when you're determining the network to ratio, the way I see it is it's not permanent. I think it depends on the time, right? Because I can get on the network, users can get out of the network, prices are going to rise, prices are going to fall. So for me personally, I use this to make decisions based on the time at the time itself, and I always keep in mind that there are a lot of things that can have effect to make all these numbers change. So, but according to Metcalfe's law, this is one way to determine the value of a network. So that was it for today. I hope that you learned something. If there's anything that I did or that I said wrong, please correct me. If there's anything that you feel like it can be added, leave down a comment below. Like this video if you enjoy the content. Consider subscribing, and yeah, that's it. So I'll say see you on the next video, and my name is Victor and I'm checking out.